Today we stand together with grateful hearts. We say, thank you, Lord, for guiding us through every single day. At Carmen School we rise up, stronger hand in hand. Excelsior is our motto, and upward we always stand. We give thanks for the sisters who lead with grace. We give thanks for the joy on every student's face. We give thanks for parents walking by our side. For Kuwait, this land of peace where our dreams can rise. Oh Lord, with grateful hearts we stand. Bless our home, bless this land. We thank you for the victories you place along our way, for the historic win at Expressions that lit up our whole day, for teamwork, talent, courage, and the spirit shining bright. Excelsior ever upward, guided by your light. We give thanks for the students who make us proud. We give thanks for their cheers that rang out loud. We give thanks for the sisters who guide with love, for God who watches us from above. Oh Lord, with grateful hearts we stand. Bless our school, bless this land. For teachers who keep inspiring,